Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're inside a full leather manufacturing process, from raw material to luxury mobile covers.
Long before leather enters the factory, its story begins here, where powerful animals once moved.
Behind every industrial material lies a natural beginning, shaped by life, time, and careful stewardship.
Inside this industrial complex, raw horse leather begins a long transformation into luxury mobile.
Once delivered, the hides enter a controlled industrial environment designed for preservation and preparation.
The factory operates continuously, moving raw material through multiple synchronized stages.
Even minor imperfections are identified before the leather enters production.
The hides are gradually conditioned to prepare them for precise industrial shaping. Inside these rotating drums, the leather begins its chemical transformation. Controlled tanning stabilizes the material while preserving strength and flexibility. After tanning, the leather moves into a carefully controlled drying stage.
Airflow and temperature must remain perfectly balanced throughout the drying process.
As moisture leaves the material, the leather begins developing its final structure. Digital monitoring systems help maintain consistency across every batch of leather. Conditioning prepares the leather for precision cutting and shaping later in production. Surface refinement improves both appearance and durability without removing the leather's natural character. At every stage, human craftsmanship and industrial automation work side by side.
After conditioning, the leather enters the first precision manufacturing stage. Every movement from this point forward is carefully controlled.
Flattening creates a uniform surface required for accurate cutting and shaping.
Every sheet must meet exact thickness standards before entering production. Irregular edges are removed to create stable working material for manufacturing. The large hides are divided into workable sections for mobile cover production. Manual inspection continues alongside automation to maintain material quality.
Carefully applied heat softens the leather for detailed forming and shaping. Temperature control directly affects flexibility, texture, and durability. Guide patterns help prepare the leather for exact component cutting later in production. Digital alignment systems maximize precision while reducing material waste.
The factory operates as one connected system, moving material continuously from one stage to the next.
High-pressure die cutting forms the first recognizable shapes of the final product.
Each usable component is separated and prepared for refinement.
Edge refinement improves comfort, durability, and finishing quality.
The leather has now been shaped,
calibrated and prepared for assembly. Ahead lies the core manufacturing
Specialized bonding materials are applied to secure the leather without damaging its natural texture. The leather must align precisely with the structural frame to ensure a perfect fit. Controlled pressure permanently bonds the leather to the protective frame beneath. Heat and tension work together to shape the leather around complex edges and curves. Edge folding creates a clean structure while improving long-term durability. Precision trimming ensures every case maintains exact dimensions and symmetry. Reinforced stitching strengthens stress points while preserving the luxury appearance of the product. Every stitch must remain perfectly consistent across the entire production line.
Precision cutting creates exact openings required for modern smartphone functionality.
Curing locks the structure into place and strengthens the final assembly. At this stage, the product begins to resemble its final luxury form.
Core manufacturing is now complete. Ahead, every surface, edge, and detail will undergo final refinement before the product reaches the market.
Inside the refinement hall of IronHide Leather Industries, precision meets craftsmanship.
Surface polishing enhances the natural finish while preserving the character of the leather.
Protective edge finishing improves durability while creating a cleaner, luxury appearance. Embossing adds depth and texture while maintaining precision across every design. Color accuracy is carefully monitored to maintain consistency throughout production.
Before packaging, every surface is cleaned to remove microscopic dust and residue.
Packaging preparation protects the finished product while preserving its premium presentation. Each completed cover is carefully aligned before entering final quality control.
The refinement stage is now complete. Ahead, every finished cover will face final inspection and quality testing before global release.
Automated imaging systems detect imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Mechanical stress simulations help verify long-term structural durability.
Protective surface treatments help preserve the leather under changing conditions.
Every stitch is measured for consistency and structural accuracy. Packaging systems confirm that every product is complete and correctly assembled. Protective sealing preserves both the product and its presentation during transport.
After passing every inspection and durability test, the finished leather covers are finally ready for shipment to markets around the world.
After a long industrial transformation, the finished leather covers begin their final journey beyond the factory walls.
Every shipment is carefully organized to protect the finished products during transport.
Digital tracking systems help manage inventory and international distribution with precision.
Final presentation packaging reflects the craftsmanship behind every leather cover.
Each finished cover carries the texture, precision, and refinement developed throughout the manufacturing process. Controlled storage and transport conditions help preserve the leather during global shipping. From the factory floor, the finished products move toward retailers and customers across international markets. Far from the industrial machinery, the final product now appears as a refined consumer item. From raw horse leather to luxury mobile covers, every stage of the process combines industrial precision with refined craftsmanship.